Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I was a bit on the fence if I would upgrade from my Flip 5 to the Flip 6. One of the main reasons to do it is the better main camera, and I ordered it on the Samsung website. And with the trade-in of my Flip 5, it's half price, something like that. Also with the early discount. So let's see. It's quite a big box. Well, they say if you write a review, you can also win a Galaxy Watch 7. I don't know if if a YouTube video will count. Well, there's really nothing else in the box. So, one of the reasons to buy it from the Samsung website is that I wanted to have the black one, and at the moment that's only available from Samsung itself. So I think there's some sticker here. Let's see. Whoa. I'm not showing what's on the sticker because there might be some serial numbers, those kind of things, so who knows. Okay. Stickers on two sides. So here we have the black Flip 6. Oh. Okay. Okay, protector. Yeah. So actually the serial number is on the back of the phone. So there's a USB-C cable, quick start guide, guarantee. This is to access the SIM slot. And that's it.
Okay. So, yeah, it's just for the SIM slot. I mean, nowadays they no longer add the option for micro SD, unfortunately. So, here I have my Flip 5. So, there's a bit of a pattern here on the back. And this is just only one color. There's no pattern here. And I think with the camera, slightly different, but not that much. And it looks like that the crease, well, perhaps it's because it's brand new, but the crease is a lot less visible. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but yeah, I think it's also, the crease is also going deeper on the 5 compared to the 6. So I don't know if that's because of this one has been used for 1 year, but yeah, it really looks like that the crease is almost gone compared to my Flip 5. So I don't know if it's because of this one has been used for a year, who knows. So, but yeah, nowadays there's not that much in a box when you buy a phone. And yeah, they say that the screen goes a little bit brighter than from the Flip 5, but that's probably very hard to see because it's not that much. It's also got a slightly bigger battery, new generation of chip, so also a little bit faster. It's got a vapor chamber, so that should help with the cooling. So yeah, I'm excited to see, to yeah, for instance, also try to install Stable Diffusion and see if it's faster on the 6 than it is on the Flip 5. So, but this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.